Good people, James here again. So glad you joined. Remember to subscribe, like, click the bell. I want to talk about right varieties to be planting throughout the valley along the Wasatch Front. And today I'm in a park and I'm looking at a beautiful example of the right tree in the right soil. These Norway maples are perfect. Look how healthy, look how well watered. They were getting all the nutrients they need out of the soil. I want you to contrast that. Contrast that by the variety of maple they chose to plant over here. These are not Norway maples. These are probably a Pacific Sunset or an October Glory, something like that, that we really are excited for that beautiful fall color. And while they have beautiful fall color, they also have a lot of supplements that need to be applied to them because they don't do very well with the little high alkalinity that we have. So they're not able to get to the micronutrients that are iron, copper, etc. So when choosing a variety of tree, take into careful consideration what the specific needs are of that tree relative to the environment, be it the climate or be it the soil. Remember, subscribe, and I'll see you in the garden.